Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn the quality up on CapCut. So you want to select your video and you want to go to the adjustments tab here, and you are going to go to sharpen. Where is it? Here you go. And you want to sharpen it first, and you also want to make sure the video that you have before isn't low quality either. And then you're going to select this like 180p above the video here, and you're going to slide it to the right. So you want to make sure your resolution is at 2K or 4K, and you also want the frame rate to be at 60, and it will change the file size. It's going to make the file heavier, but when you're done, you're just going to want to export that, and that's how you can turn the quality up. You can also enable Smart HDR to turn the quality up, of course. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!